Let's see how the day unfolded. All right, let's see what happens. Okay, break. There's a lot of strength there, right? I'm just going to right edge this thing. A lot of strength. Hard to stay out of that, right? But look, this goes all the way up to here. So at one point, this candle looked like this, didn't it? People that came in saying, oh, let's get it. We're broken right through. All of us, even right away, it's starting to fade. It's starting to reverse some of that, right? Let's just see what happens here. So if I was, my point is, if I'm Jazzy and I'm in right here and it breaks like this, I'm taking some profits. I'm getting myself out of a lot of the trade. I don't know what time this one was. And I'm hoping, I think Jazzy said out at 10:05. So he probably did, right? So Jazzy's in, kind of hoping for the break. It breaks, takes some profit. Now, me, I wouldn't really hope for the break. I'd wait to confirm. All right, so now let's see what happens. Okay, well, that's still kind of tried twice now. It tried once, fell back, tried twice, fell back. I think a retest may be coming. Let's see. Oh, there's a retest. Now, look at that tail. Is that tail significant? It tried to break the pre-market high, came back, couldn't. Because of the distance from the moving average? No, just because it hasn't done a retest yet. It broke a level. What usually comes after a break of a level? A retest. And then we see if the trade works. All right, so now, oh boy, I'm kind of licking my chops. We got a flying 5. Look at the rest of the chart. Looking good. Ooh, we're starting to, we already went all the way up here and roll it over a little bit. Still okay here. Still okay here. The middle might provide some resistance. It does sometimes. So now I'm saying to myself, okay, I'm not in the trade yet, but if we get a green, taking out the red, higher than what that red candle was, that's my trigger. That's my go. Does that all make sense? What I'm looking for. So I've got nothing. I don't have to guess. I wonder if it's going to keep going up or if it's going to drop. I don't know. If this shows up, I'm in. If not, I'm not. Let's see. Oh, you see how this thinking it and saying it out loud? I told you to record yourselves. If you record yourself and you say this stuff out loud and you don't get in, if it doesn't happen, saves yourself some pain and suffering. Okay, well, now is this a trade to the downside? Could be. I got to go over here. Let's see. We got some yellows showing up here. We got an RSI cross. We're going, hooking back to greens, rolling over here, or going back to red. So this certainly looks that way. What time is this? 10:15. Let's see here. There's our breakout. There's our retest. And do you see how we never got a hold? We never got a green taking out the red. I look for it even here on the 2-minute chart. And then look at that. Bam. Yeah, nothing ever happened. So is this a short opportunity? What's 10:15? Right here. Is this where we go short? I'm looking for the close of the candle there. We got our rollover. Got our rollover here. We're here. I might wait to see if we can break the bottom half here. We're already yellows. We're turning yellow. A lot of strength here, right? What do you think? Short? Wait. Gump, what are you waiting for? What usually happens here? That's a pretty big move, right? So you want to see if it's going to bounce and do something like this, Allocat? What if we get another red? I actually like Swim Kid's answer. Do you guys see this guy creeping up here? That's my 50. Yeah, I agree, Gump. Once this happened, I kind of feel like there's your reversal candle, confirmation candle, but it's just hard to take it because of the level. So I kind of missed the trade up, missed the trade down because of a level. Okay, yeah, that's fine. There'll be more, right? But this is my 50. How does it look like it's interacted with the 50? Well, I start looking left. We're sitting right on the 50. What happened the last time? Came down to the 50, reversed, came down to the 50, reversed, came down to the 50, reversed, came down to the 50, reversed. Something there? Does that matter? When you look left and you see this, think that should matter? Yeah, it does. So what if you're the guy that's like, oh, I really just want to trade. And then you find yourself, well, I can't take it here because pre-market high. I like to take the short. I can't take the short right at the pre-market high. Oh, look at what it did. I missed the trade. Now I want to take it short, but now we're right here, right? Is it okay to sit there and think I've just missed 3 potential trades, have gone by? Now I got to look in the chat and people are posting about all the money they made and their flyers they got and all this stuff. And I'm sitting here just waiting because I have hesitation. Is there good reason for hesitation here? Yes, there's good reason for hesitation. Also, look at this. What does this one mean? The 5 is in a squeeze, right? So there's not a lot of follow through. Got compression going on. You didn't miss, it means you didn't miss that much. And there's always going to be more trades.
Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed this video from Trade With Me Now. Make sure to go ahead and like this video and subscribe to our channel so you make sure that you catch our next video right when it's released. Also, if you have a question or comment, please leave that in the comments section below. And of course, if you want to learn more about Trade With Me Now or join our community of profitable traders, go to tradewithmenow.com. There's also a link in the description below.